leading ERP system, it connects all the business process, all the department. It connects all the business process and all the department. So it is connected to all the department through their modules. It has the different modules. It has the different modules. Who use SAP? First thing, who use SAP? Actually, it is a very costly software. It is very expensive. So the organization or company or enterprises more than 500 crores turnover can use. Basically, roughly more than 500 crores of the company, the turnover company can use the SAP. Nobody in the small business, just like 1 crore, 2 crores company cannot use the SAP. So any of the business, that is the manufacturing, SME business, manufacturer, oil and fuel organization, banking, retail, totally you can use the SAP. Globally, it is a large statistic in the 2024 statistic. 4 lakhs company in the globally, or more than 180 country. 180 plus countries are using the SAP. But in India, 11,000 of the company are using SAP. 11,000 company are using SAP system. Then what is the model? What is the features? If you are buying a mobile phone, or vehicle, then what you want to know? Then you want to know what is the features. So I am telling you the features of the SAP. That is the features of the SAP. That is the first thing is the modular structure. What is modular structure? Modular structure means in the business or process there are various departments, various projects, various sites. There are so many sites. So that's why in the SAP there is the different to the module wise. How many modules is used? I am telling you how many modules is there. Total is the module. Now functional module is the approximately 10 module is there. As is the MM module. MM module stands for the material management module. And next is the FICO module. Lastly it was FI and CO module. Now it is combined FICO module, financial, accounting and controlling module. Then SD module, sales and distribution module. I am telling you one by one. SD module and PM module, plant and maintenance module, and PP module, production and planning module. There are the modular structure, and also now we are using this type of module, but there are so many modules. WM module, warehouse module, and HRM module, HCM module. HCM module means human capital management. Previously it was HRM module. HRM means human resource management. Now company thinking is the difference. Now you are a company thinking you are the capital. Human means employees. You are the capital of the company. What is the capital? Capital is the net worth of the company. Asset minus liability equal to capital. You are the one of the capital of the company. Actually, first of all, on 6 months, company will not get any benefit from you. Company will expenditure you, and thinking that after 6 months, 1 year, company will get benefited from you. That is, you are the one of the asset minus liability, the capital. You are the capital of the company, and that is called the HCM, Human Capital Management. HCM module, and another module is the PS module, or the project system module. And another benefit, another features, that is the real-time data processing. Real-time data processing means when data is generated, when data is received, so then it is the process in the SAP. Suppose I am telling you an example. Suppose you are in the maintenance department, planning department. You just need you need some spare parts. You require some spare part. You purchase request. You just create a purchase request. Immediately you create purchase request in the SAP system. Then it will be process again. Another process will forward to the another process to approval, then purchase, then everything I will explain you. So it will in the tracking. That is the real-time data processing. Suppose the real-time means, suppose you are in the plant, there are so many assets. are there. So many assets are there. So many assets means equipment. So many equipments are there running. So here, if you have two vehicles, then you are forgetting to when it is the servicing period, when it is servicing period. Then the 10,000 vehicle is there. So how can a person remember in the pen and paper in the manual process? It is the maintenance period is this and service timing is this. It is not possible for the manual. So it is keep the mind in the SAP. It is the real time. Suppose I have to today is the servicing date. That is the real time. You immediately just remind you just service the service that vehicle. That is the integrated system. Integrated system means in the previously ERP system there is the one department, one system. Data are scattered. Data are scattered but among the department. One system, one department, one data. Another department, another data. We collect from each of the one department and merge the data and to get the results and the analysis, the report. That is the integrated. But in the SAP, there is the integrated system. MM system, it will go to the PICO module. PICO module, it will go to the SD module. SD module, it will go to the PM module, PP module. Like this. It is the integrated system and centralized data management. It is the main benefit in the centralized data management. Data can access and storage in one place. Data can be storage, access and managed in the one place. So that is the centralized system. So we have not to merge the data. Then automation of the business process. So automation means once you put the purchase request or purchase order, then it will go to the automatically go to the another department. To create the purchase order, it will go to the vendor, go to the supplier, may go to the supplier, it will go to the workflow for the approval basis. This is the automation system. Automatic, nobody manual intervention is not available and customized and scalable. Suppose customize, if you are want as per the business requirement. Suppose in the logistic business में क्या होता है कि अगर डिलीवरी का कुछ ये होता है तो उसमें वेदर के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. तो उसमें उसका जो लॉगिन पेज है ना, तो अगर ज़्यादा ये सनी पीरियड है तो उसमें येलो आ जाएगा और क्लाउडी है वो तो डार्क क्लाउडी आ जाएगा. तो SAP का होम पेज देख के पता चल जाएगा. जो बिलिंग करता होगा ना, डिलीवरी चालान बनाता होगा, अरे वो तो बारिश होगा तो डिलीवरी नहीं हो पाएगा, बंद कर दो, तो वो खबर दे देगा. वो सिस्टम ये है, इतना कस्टमाइज सिस्टम है, वो कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं एज पर बिजनेस रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं. तो वो कस्टमाइज एंड स्केलेबल it is the expand anywhere. Suppose a country, suppose a business has the 5 country. Suppose business of the 5 country, the different country have the different currency and the different language that they manage without any without any hampering the performance. And strong security system and automation control. It is the strong security system. Strong security system means you are the responsible for the purchase requisition, you are responsible for the mechanical, you are responsible for the store, you are responsible for the finance. You have the separate role. You can access each other. If you are you cannot access the FICO rules. That is the security level. In that security level is the high, so that data cannot be duplication, data cannot be mismatched, cannot be duplicated. Advanced reporting and analytical. Real-time dashboard. It is the real-time dashboard. I have told you already. This is the real-time dashboard, so that it is the advanced reporting. Advanced reporting is there because when the data is processed, when it is generated or received, so that it will be output also generated instantly. सपोज सोचिए कि आपका अभी एक मशीन हो गया कि इक्विपमेंट हो गया है. वो इक्विपमेंट का क्या हुआ कि आज ही उसका सर्विस करना था, आप सर्विस किया ही नहीं है. 2 महीना चला गया, 2 महीने के बाद ब्रेकडाउन हो गया. अगर 2 महीना पहले वो सर्विसिंग हो जाता तो वो आज ब्रेकडाउन नहीं होता. तो ये है रियल टाइम, इमीडिएटली 2 महीने जब उसका सर्विसिंग डेट है. तो आप बताए थे कि प्रिवेंटिव मेंटेनेंस अगर वो उसी टाइम पे मेंटेनेंस हो जाता था तो ये आगे से नहीं जा पाएगा, मतलब उस टाइम आगे से ब्रेकडाउन नहीं होगा. तो नेक्स्ट इज द कस्टमाइज्ड एंड स्केलेबल. देन एडवांस cloud on premises development option. It is there are so many options. First, when the SAP is founded, it was the SAP GUI and that SAP Fiori. Then now it is the SAP S/4HANA. It is the latest version. It is the flexibility. It is the two types. One is the cloud version and another is the on-premises. On-premises data is stored in the premises and it is the on cloud, just like your Google and Google type data. It is stored in the cloud also. And user-friendly interface. User-friendly, and it is the cloud version. Then it is the user-friendly. You can access anywhere. You can access in your mobile phone also, in your tab and in laptop also. You can access everywhere. Then benefit of the SAP, benefit and features.
आप लोग थोड़ा अपना अपना क्वेश्चन लिखिए, ये जो प्रेजेंटेशन हो रहा है अपना नोटबुक में लिखिए, जो डाउट आंसर हो सकता है, जो क्वेश्चन आपको आंसर होने से भी क्वेश्चन रखे, कम से कम एक दो क्वेश्चन आंसर बताइए खत्म होने के बाद, ठीक है? रेडी? थोड़ा अपना लिख लीजिए, क्वेश्चन नहीं करोगे तो अंडरस्टैंड नहीं हो पाएगा। मेरे पास भी क्वेश्चन दो तीन तो है, खत्म करने के बाद।
थैंक यू। ये जो फीचर्स है, हम SAP क्यों करें? हमको पहले तो अच्छा था, अभी SAP क्यों करें? पहला सिस्टम तो अच्छा था, अभी क्यों SAP करेंगे? SAP में क्या बेनिफिट मिलेगा? अगर बेनिफिट नहीं मिलेगा तो हम SAP क्यों करेंगे? What is the benefit? First is the improved efficiency. You improve the efficiency. The human power, if you are using the various system, at a time you are using the various system, then your efficiency will be increased. If you are using the virtual system, then your efficiency will be increasing. Suppose just see you are the IIT, you are from the IIT. That after that you are going to maintain the register. Then your efficiency and you are going to put in the data in the SAP system, in the virtual system, where the efficiency will be improved. When in the virtual system, your efficiency will be improved. Then improve your efficiency. Then is the centralized data access. What I am telling you, told you, the centralized data access. Centralized data, in the one space you can access, manage and storage all the data. That is the centralized data access. Real-time reporting, as and when required. As and when required, the data can be reported as per our company policy. And scalable and flexible. And it is be scalable and flexible. It can be, if there is so many departments, so many business process, so many unity, then it can be scalable to all the. If you are the 5 country, your business in the 5 more country, then it can be expand the 5 country without hampering the efficiency of the business. So there are multi-currency, multi-language, using the multi-currency and multi-language. Better compliance and control. In the compliance, in the business, there are so many compliance. In the government also, there are so many compliance. To compliance, data is the required. Data is the most strength of the business. If there is no data, there is already no problem. So many problems. So, for the compliance, for the better compliance, it is the required. The real data and correct data also. And another is the integrated business process. Integrated business process. Suppose in the PM department, suppose that the ERP system, annual system, any other system, is the SAP system. So you are getting data from a PM department, you are getting data from the store department, and you are getting the finance department. 3 data is the different data, because they are maintaining in each way. So their data is more different data than the 3 department data is already different. This is the integrated system. MM is already connected to FICO. FICO is already connected to FI and SD and PM and PP. That's why every data is uniform. One data is there. If the purchase request and purchase, if you are expecting data, generate data from the store department, generating data the financial department, both are will be same. enhance customer satisfaction. Enhance customer satisfaction in the retail business. Suppose here you are in the retail business customer asking for the invoice copy immediately. They are in the hurry mode asking the invoice immediately. You are going and 1 hour, you will take 1 hour to customer, that customer will not satisfy. In the other business also, if your customer asking you, give my report, give my ledger, you are not giving him ledger, then he will not satisfy. If in the insurance system, if customer asks, then you will provide immediately. Then it is the customer satisfaction. And cost reduction. Basically, obviously it will be cost reduction. Of course, it is the expensive package, it is the costly package, but it will reduce the cost. How it is reduced the cost? To reduce the manual intervals and reduce the time consuming, less time consuming. That's why it is the reduce the cost reduction and reduce data duplication. What I have told you now, I told you data duplication is not possible. In the system, it is integrated to all the department. That's why it is the data duplication is not possible. Another is the automatic key business process. It is the automated process. What I told you in the pictures. In the pictures I told you it is the automated process. When you purchase request, then it will go to automatic go to the approval and automatic go to the purchase order creation and order creation go to the automatic mail to the supplier. That is the automatic system. And increase transparency across the organization. Suppose any businessman, if there is no transparency, there is the problem. System is not working. If there is not transparency, if there is not transparency, suppose one department not know about the another department, then it is not a transparency. Transparency is very essential in the business. In the good business, transparency is very essential. And support decision making with the real-time data. If your data is correct, then decision making will be correct. In KCCL, we are using 5 modules. We are using here only 5 modules. First, the FICO module, financial accounting and controlling. Next is the MM module, material management module. SD module, sales and distribution module. PP module, production and planning module. PM module, plant and maintenance module. Users. There are 4 categories of users. That is not 4 users, there are 4 categories of users. In the SAP, there are 4 categories of users. First is the end users, then the power user, then process owner, then functional support, or IT support. Then the IT department and SAP department are different. That is the SAP is the total system. End user means who is using the raising the purchase request, who is using the purchase order. That is the end user with the approval. That is all are called the end user. Approval business what use the business, that is called end user. And the power user who help to the business with end user who support the end user, who training the end user, that is called power user. Who train the end user how to process the data, how to process purchase order, how to process purchase request, how to process goods receipts, how to process goods issue. That is called the power user. And another is the process owner. Process owner actually at the time of the implementation, his role is very important. It is the process owner. Process owner means it is the coordination between consultant. Consultant is the functional support and IT support is the consultant. Process owner is the business person, but it is the coordination between business and the consultant. That is the process owner. Process owner, approval owner, and the reviews data and the quality testing the data and any other quality testing, user acceptance testing, the all are done. And the functional support. So functional support is the configuration of the data. At the time of the application, it is required very configuration as per the business requirement. Configuration data. First of all, what do? Configuration the data. Then process owner convey to the power user. Then convey